All right, fam, we are back with some more tool deals because it's Cyber Monday and why the hell not? Anyway, today we'll be getting into some Milwaukee stuff over at the Home Depot. We've got some DeWalt stuff strewn about. We've got even a flex deal, I believe. And for you Makita guys, my deepest condolences because there is nothing for you here. I mean, it's not like I didn't look. I did look. There's not a whole lot to be excited about if you're in the Makita world. Not really, anyway. Should you be excited, Makita guy? Anyway, if you go over to the Home Depot, they have some pretty decent, pretty strong daily deals, which let's get right into that stuff. The M12 stubby. This is the torque wrench that everybody and their mother wants right now. $159, and this kit does come with that 5.0 high output battery. That is the battery that you want for this bad boy. If you want the maximum torque output available. This morning there were 2,600 available. Now there's 1,600. I don't know if this will last till the end of the day. Link for this will be in the description down below. If you check out the rest of their daily deals, there's a bunch of good stuff here. The pack-out fan with a lamp, $129. There was some more stuff. I know they had a battery set that I really liked. Let's see if we can find that real quick. There it is. The 12 with the 8, $259. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are going to say. That's only 20 amp hours worth of battery. Yes, you're right, but they are Forge. They're a little bit more reliable because I don't know how many HD 12.0s I've burnt through non-Forge, but it's quite a few. So, and I know that last year that battery set was $249, but it didn't have the rapid charger. It was just the batteries and $249, and it sold out pretty quick. So who knows how long that's going to last. Other stuff available. Pin nailer. In fact, there's a lot of these M12 combos today. Ooh, there is one that I need to show you guys. It's at the very top. The installation driver, $159 with the 5.0. That is super solid. Super solid. The brand new fuel jigsaw, $159. Like I said, there's a lot of those combos today with the M12 high output battery with a tool for right around $159. Now, I know you guys are going to see this subcompact deal with the ratchet. $169. Not my favorite subcompacts. I would pay a little more for the fuel set. I do believe there are some guys, some influencers that have tested those subcompacts, and they're not that great. I mean, they're cute, right? You want to get like little drills for dogs, I guess. But man, I don't know. I would pay a little more, get the fuel set. That's just me. Heading over to ToolUp. This is probably going to be the cheapest place where you can get a good deal on DeWalt batteries. Now, I know this does not include shipping. $95. It does not include shipping. I don't know what it's going to cost, but you are getting the 21700 celled 4.0 and the 21700 celled 6.0 with a 4 amp charger for $95. That is super solid. You're probably not going to get a better battery deal than that unless you do a hack or something like that. But $95, no hacks. All you got to do is pay the shipping. Super solid. Link for that will be in the description down below. Heading on over to Amazon, this is probably going to be the other place where you can find DeWalt deals like the T-Stack drawers or the inflator for $104. Now, I did say that ToolUp deal was the best place for batteries if you're a DeWalt guy, because, I mean, look at this. 2 4s, 2 2s, 134. Not great. They're old tech batteries. I mean, there's not a whole lot that excites me on this page aside from that inflator. I mean, this is kind of cool, though. You get the XR oscillating tool with the switch and a depth gauge, which is something you don't see very often. For $159, that's pretty cool. Why would you need a depth gauge? I don't know. I can't answer that for you, but not bad. Link for that will be in the description down below. Now, I know there's a lot of you flex guys. There were, what, like a dozen of you guys before? But now there's maybe like 15? I don't know. My point is, you guys bought into the flex stuff because of that clearance event over at Lowe's. And now you guys need batteries. So if you head over to Fasteners Inc., they do actually sell the flex stuff. And they do actually have decent deals. Now, the deal that I like, if you pick either the compact bandsaw or the rear handle saw, you're going to get a free toolkit, which comes with 2 batteries. Now, I know it's a 5 and a 2.5. They're not stacked, they're not big or anything like that, but it is still 2 additional batteries. I think the other deal for the impact driver has some lesser tools, but you know, this is the one that I like. $259. You get a rear handle saw, you get the turbo hammer drill, and those 2 previously mentioned batteries. I don't think you're going to do better than that. If you do, let me know in the comments, and I will make another video or drop your link, whatever. Now, if you head on over to Acme Tools, they have the entire site 12% off if you use the coupon Cyber2025, and it does apply to big ticket items like the Pro Press. Now, I know you could probably find a better deal than $29.99 on that rigid Pro Press. Ugh. But this one does come with a free 6-gallon wet dry vac and a free Visa gift card for how much? I don't know. Maybe a free lunch. Who knows? I wouldn't get it, but I'm not a plumber. Nevertheless, all the stuff site-wide is 12% off. Some of this stuff is super whack, like those job site earbuds. Oh, God. I have bought some terrible Milwaukee stuff, and that is right at the top of the list. But like I said, everything is 12% off, including, ooh, do we have a deal on those Forge batteries? We do. $279. This is probably just going to be the 8, right? Oh, no. Never mind. Stay away from that. That's, not unless you're Torque Test channel, right? But anyway, I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. If you find anything good or better than me, let me know and I'll pin your comment. That's all I've got for you today. Have at it. Good luck.